Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Syafil Kasapiding and my metric number SX242512EMMHF111, and today I'm going to share with you about boat tourism services in Semporna, Sabah. Semporna is one of the most famous gateways to world-class islands and diving spot in Malaysia. If you love the ocean, this is the perfect place to explore. Firstly, boat tourism in Semporna plays a very important role in connecting visitors to the beautiful islands such as Mabul, Kapalai, Mataking, and the world famous Sabah Island. Tourists usually book boat services from travel agent or directly from local operator at the jetty. Okay guys, we are in the jetty right now. Secondly, these boat services offer not just transportation but also guide tour. Many operators provide packages that include island hopping, snorkeling, diving, and even cultural experience with the local bajau laut community. This makes the journey more exciting and educational. Another important point is safety. Boat operators in Semporna are required to follow safety regulations such as providing life jackets, briefing tourists before departure, and ensuring boats are in good condition. This helps to give tourism confidence and comfortable experience during the trip. In conclusion, boat tourism services in Semporna are more than just transportation. They are the gateway to stunning islands, rich marine life, and unique culture experience. If you ever have the chance to visit Sabah, I highly recommend exploring Semporna Raft its boat tour. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy learning about the amazing destination.